Hi, Fraser Cousins here, unpacking the 6000S Pro Series designed for high security mode, which is a very interesting particular capabilities. It actually is a 4K 60 interactive monitor that allows you to be able to buy that in 65-inch, 75-inch, and 86-inch, and it's designed in a very specific way. It's designed for high secure environments where we actually disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth to just operate in an interactive monitor capability, meant to be able to work in the most high secure areas in the world. And from that perspective, it also is TAA compliant, which means that it allows for you to be able to be built by a favorable nation to the USA. In that, it actually has built-in rich IoT sensors, including a proximity sensor. So when you first walk into the room, you can have the system configurably wake up based on motion, or you can have it wake up by picking up the pen. Also, it has a rich sensor called an ambient light sensor. What actually it does is it reviews the light in the room and dynamically adjusts the brightness of the display to optimize viewing for the audience. It also, when you look at a smartboard, it's quite iconic. You have a visible pen tray with purpose-built tools that really allow you to ink and annotate directly. It uses a touch system called HyperTouch by InGlass, which means that it's actually the smarts are not in the pen. It's actually in the smartboard itself, which let you discern the difference between writing, erasing, and touching the screen. So very simple ease of use. It also has a very interesting feature set for casual users called a visible input select. Let me show you that. Imagine you walk in with your laptop and you want to share it to the screen. You simply have to just press one button, the input button, and plug in your laptop by using a video cable and USB cable. When you do so, it'll automatically be chosen in the pick list that you then choose that experience to come up in front, and it will not only be able to pass touch to your laptop, but it will also pass any USB device that are plugged into it. So whether it's a keyboard mouse or a webcam or a speaker microphone, it will let you lend that to that computer without having to unplug anything or replug anything back in. So a very powerful way of working across distance in that manner. We also have made that smart experience a little bit easier to use. So when you plug in, there'll actually be a little prompt that will pop up and ask if you'd like to share that experience with the audience. So it makes it even more intuitive than other experiences out there. Once you get your content shared to the screen, it's about what you can do with that content. Not only can you zoom and do all the gestures that you're used to doing with Windows, but you also have the ability to natively write in Windows programs. So specifically, I'm doing that actually right now. So you're noticing I'm able to write directly into PowerPoint. So you'll actually get 45 different Windows Ink programs where you don't require any downloads to actually interact with the screen. So very, very powerful way of working. Also included in all your 6000Ss is you get a very industry-leading warranty called the Smart Assure warranty. It's an advanced parts replacement program that's intended to reduce and minimize any downtime, where we actually, if you have a hardware failure, we will be able to immediately do a next-day business ship of a new unit to you. No questions asked, and you simply just put the old one in the new box that arrives and hang the new one up. Send that one back to Smart on our dime. And always for free with Smart, you get that access to updates and firmware to keep your system current with the changes that are happening in different operating systems. Also included into your 6000S is a wall mount that comes right in the box. But because it uses a VESA standard, you can really install this on a host of third-party experiences, including Smart's height-adjustable pedestal and Smart's interactive height-adjustable mobile stand. So to learn more about this experience, please go to www.smarttech.com/GSA.